Patience 1. In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1302, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that real patience is shown at the onset of a difficulty. First of all, patience is when one controls their words and actions so that they maintain their sincere obedience to Allah, the Exalted, whenever they encounter a difficulty. It is important to understand that true patience is shown throughout a calamity, meaning, from the very onset of the difficulty onwards. Accepting the reality of a difficulty, such as the death of a loved one, eventually, with the passing of time, occurs with everyone. This is acceptance, not true patience. Muslims should therefore ensure they encounter difficulties while patience, believing that everything which Allah, the Exalted, chooses is best for everyone involved, even if they fail to observe the wisdoms behind the choices. Instead, they should reflect on the many times when they believed something was good, yet it ended up being bad, and vice versa. Understanding the extreme short-sightedness and limited knowledge of humans and the infinite knowledge and wisdom of Allah, the Exalted, can aid a Muslim to show patience from the onset of a difficulty. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not.
In addition, as Allah, the Exalted, does not burden a soul with more than they can handle, it leaves no one with an excuse not to show patience and maintain their sincere obedience to Allah, the Exalted, through words and actions, from the onset of a difficulty. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 286.
Allah does not charge a soul, except with that within its capacity.
In addition, it is important for Muslims to continue showing patience till the end of their life. This is because a person can easily lose the reward of patience, even if they were patient from the onset, by demonstrating impatience further down the line. This is an extremely deadly trap of the devil. He patiently waits for decades, just to ruin the reward of a Muslim. The Holy Quran makes it clear that a Muslim will gain reward for what they bring to Judgment Day, meaning, take with them when they die. It does not declare they will gain reward after simply doing a deed, such as showing patience at the onset of a difficulty. Chapter 6 Al-An'am, verse 160.
Whoever comes on the day of judgment with a good deed,